Yeah. Hi everyone, good afternoon. Let me share my screen. Okay, so today, we are going to discuss about certification maintenance. So we are going to complete certification exams, right? So after completing a certification exam, so we have to maintain those certifications that are active. Okay, so here maintenance exam is nothing but we are going to uh, complete couple of modules. So then only our certification should be active. So suppose this principle certification, this principle 24, spring 24 actually. Okay. Right now we are in spring 24. So in this spring 24, so we have to complete couple of certification maintenance exams. So let's say in my bucket, so I have 4 certifications. Let's take example. So in your case, like maybe 10 certifications or 4 or 3 or 2 or 1 something. So whenever you are going to complete your certification exam, so you have to maintain the certification exam too. Okay. So in this video, we are going to cover CPQ specialist certification exam for Spring 2020. I mean Spring 24. Okay. So if you can see here, so in my bucket, I have like 4 certification. Okay. So as of now, still should be like maintenance. Okay, means it's spring 24. It's recently started, right? So we have a time up to April 11, 2025. Okay, still we have almost 1 year of time. Okay, so this 1 year of time, so we have to complete these maintenance exams. So as of now, so I can see only three, right? I can see only three certification maintenance city. But as of now, it's platform developer one. It's still active. So maybe next 1 week, 10 days or 1 month. So this also will get like certification tip. So at the time, we have to complete our certification maintenance exam. Okay. So first of all, we have to log in as a trailhead. So after logging the trailhead, like we can able to see your maintenance certifications. Once this certification has been completed, that should be we can see status as a active. Okay. So now I'm going to complete Salesforce CPQ certified specialist today. So next video, I'm going to cover like admin certification and service cloud consultant certification. Also, I'm going to cover that. Okay. So let's say I'm going to complete this Salesforce CPQ certified CPQ specialist exam now. Just hit on this link, or else can go to Google. Let's say just copy this link, or else you can say CPQ specialist certification exam or something. Just go to here and just type. So you will get a lot of things. So you can say spring 24. Spring 24. Okay. So or else I'm going to provide this link to in comment section so that you can able to access easily for this. Okay. So this is maintaining a certification specialist certification for spring 2024. So here we have to read these all the components. So then only we can able to answer these questions. So here we have around 5 questions. So in these 5 questions, answers will be there in this paragraph. So here they saying protect the integrity of your certification. We have some of I can say paragraphs. So how we are going to use Omni Studio feature in the Salesforce CPQ plus. So earlier we have like Salesforce CPQ only. So now that has been upgraded to Salesforce CPQ plus. Means like different editions, like advanced versions, like CPQ, CPQ plus. So in this CPQ plus, so how we are going to use Omni Studio features. That's the one thing. So it should be available for last summer 2023 itself, but still we have some features. So we are going to uh, cover in this 21st sprint. That's the one thing. So how we are going to create the templates by using Omni Studio. So let's say in CPQ level, we are going to generate the documents like templates. by hitting the gendered document. Like there is a we have some standard templates and custom templates also, right? So in this case, they are implementing the new feature called like Omni Studio in CPQ Plus. So how we are going to do that? So these kind of new features it should be available for in the CPQ level, like minimize the securities and the code military LWC restrict area. So this kind of options will be available in CPQ level and CPQ Plus level. Okay. So here also like product option, package components. So these are the options will be covered under the CPQ level. So we need to read properly all these steps, then only we can able to answer our questions. So I already did that. So I'm going to directly for this question and answers. So we can cover these things now. Okay. So which license is needed to use Omni Studio feature in CPQ with feature with CPQ. So as usually, so I already discussed it, right? It's a CPQ plus. So you can see here like CPQ plus. So go to options. So we can see where is the CPQ license, CPQ plus license. So B is the correct answer. So what variable in the template replace with the actual data when generating the document? So how we are going to generate the document by hitting the new button, generate the document button. But here they are asking as a variable. They are asking as a variable. So what was the variable for that? So for this, like you can go to here. Where is that generate the document? Okay. So here. So somewhere like they will mentioning as a variable. So if you read this all the information, so you will get that exact answer. Okay. So now we are going to answer that question. So it should be like a chip. So go there here. Sorry, token. So this is the answer. Okay. If you want, just Control F and just type token. You can see here. A token is a placeholder template that maps the input data from a dynamic generation. So this is the keyword they're asking as a variable. Token is the keyword they're asking as a variable. So now the answer should be like token. Okay. So now coming to third question. So what has changed in the CPQ term editor page? CPQ term editor page. So we need to read that above paragraph, then we can able to answer this question. Right? So what are the terms we are going to change that? So if you go there here, so what are the changes? So you can see like code term editor with the LWC rich text editor, right? So LWC and rich text editor is the that answer. Now go to that answer. See, LWC and rich text editor. So this is the answer. Now go to fourth question. So how do we generate document from a web port? How do we generate the document from the web port? So how we are going to generate the code? So use CPQ post object instead of the web port object. So if you want that again instead of web port object, we can see here. The answer should be web codes. So in this paragraph, we can able to find out that answer. Okay. That should be like web port. We can see that answer right here. And then web codes. See here. So we have no longer a data generation document from the web ports instead of using CPQ ports. Okay. So that is the answer. And coming to last one. So a CPQ user wants the POT product to include all the other parents and options in a bundle, which percent of total scope should be used. So package and components of this both. So if you want to see that product includes and other parents options, go there. I mean last paragraph you can see. So percentage of total warranty. So this is the thing. So we'll get like two options here. So parent product and the percentage of total. So POT products. So here is the option like POT products is for the entire bundle. So that is the reason. So we taking as a like both package and components. Okay. So now we are going to check this solid model. Either we are going to complete or not. So this is the way we are going to do some question and answers for every maintenance exam. We'll see what happened. Still it's loading. There was an issue with pausing your pitch. Please refresh your page and try again. Okay, just refresh. Maybe sometimes like network issue or server issue. So we are going to get these answers. So no, again we have to put answers. Okay, so we'll go with these answers and the text area and token and one more should be CPQ license. Okay, so now we'll try that. So this time we are going to verify also. Maybe some server issue. It's not happening now. We'll wait for some time. Try ahead. No, it's not opening again. Same issue. Just refresh. Usually we are not facing any issue. I don't know why today we are getting this issue. Maybe we'll try. We'll try one more time. So these are the correct answers only. You can try directly with your org so that no issues. So text editor and token and CPQ plus. Now we'll try. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Entire hierarchy. So now try. Maybe I was wrong. Okay. So now we can complete this certification exam. Okay. Similarly, we have to complete our other exams as well. So now my certification, this should be active within 2 hours. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can comment in comment section, or else if you want to contact me directly, so you can contact me directly through my mobile number. So I'm going to give those details into the comment section itself. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.